Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I mix my chia seed to lose weight. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell for you to get alerts whenever I upload new video. And here is my chia seed. Chia seed deliver a massive amount of nutrients with very few calories. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. Almost all the carbs in them are fiber. Chia seeds are high in quality fiber. And here is my chia seed. Yes. And for preparing this recipe, we'll be needing our cup, and we'll be needing a drinkable water. Yes, you can use any amount of drinkable water. Yes, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon inside my water. Then I'm going to give it a good stir. Chia seed, you can drink it instantly because you have to let it soak. Yes, you can either leave it for 3 hours, and from 3 hours you can be able to drink the chia seed. Yes, next thing that I'm going to be adding inside my drink, I'm going to be adding lime. Lime are a good substance of magnesium and potassium. Lime also rejuvenates skin. Several skincare products claim to promote healthier, younger look skin. Yes, lime improves digestion, it fights infection, help with weight loss. I'm going to be adding half part of my lime. Then I'm going to give it a good stir. And I'm going to be adding my honey. As for this one, and from 2 to 3 hours it will be ready to drink. But I soak mine overnight because I love drinking my chia seed in the morning in empty stomach. This is the one that I'm going to be drinking for today. Yes, and this very one will be for tomorrow because I'm going to let it sit overnight. And please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.